I have one in custody on.
Oh, is this them? Is this them? Oh, they come out just strolling like. Was that them?
Is that them?
See, look, even I had to see.
250, we sure that's not them?
She's saying that's them, but they don't have any merchandise. They dropped it inside the store.
Of course, because they see y'all out there.
The one, the brown's carrying a duffel bag.
Listen.
They're the ones. Come over here.
The way she came strolling out there like that, she knew. Wait a minute. What the fuck just happened?
Carrying a duffel bag.
They're the ones. Come over here.
Fuck! Fuck! Sprite! Sprite!
Who was that? Yo, who was that?
Black Dodge Stratus.
Fuck! Sprite!
Duffel bag.
Yo, who was that?
Fuck! Fuck! Sprite! Sprite! Fuck!
That shit got his ass good too.
Black Dodge Stratus. Fleeing the scene.
Assault on officer! Assault on officer!
Sarge, I'm here with you. I got you.
Yo!
Assault on officer.
Shorty was in the. It looked like Shorty was in the car the whole time waiting, and she had the bear spray just to come out, just hit him with the bam. Yo, they got the. Rufus.
I got water in my car. Fuck!
Where's your car?
Bomba blood clot. Them woman the wicked Noras. We said the woman the God.
It's an Avenger!
It's an Avenger. That's fucked up. They got his ass.
I got water.
Yo, she got him directly in his eyes. Y'all know y'all ever get that spray in your eyes?
What the fuck?
Bomba clot.
Touch right now. Touch right now. Touch right now. Right up in your eyes.